So, how do you make the perfect espresso with a Faber machine? Step 1. Filling the water. Lift the water tank lid, remove the bottle, fill it with water, and put it back in place. Step 2. Turning it on. Connect the power plug, switch the machine to the on position, and wait for the indicator light to turn on. Step 3. Inserting the pod. Lift the operating lever, place the pod inside, and lower the lever to lock it. It's important to note, only operate the machine after the top indicator light has turned off. Step 4. Brewing. Press the brew button until you get your desired amount of espresso. Step 5. Finishing up. After brewing, lift the lever again, remove the pod, and throw it away. Additional instructions for proper use. If you've forgotten a pod inside the machine and it gets stuck, lift the lever, dispense the water, and the pod will drop down. It's very important to empty the drip tray regularly. Notice the overflow pipe after removing the tray. It will drip. After cleaning the tray, slide it all the way back in. If the locking lever feels too tight, lift the lever and turn the upper pod holder counterclockwise to release the pressure. If the lock feels too loose, turn it clockwise. After making coffee and removing the pod, it's a good idea to run some water through until it comes out clear. This will help keep your machine clean in the long run.